Welcome to balcony room Aloha 638 on the Emerald Princess. Come with me, I'll give you a little tour. Here's the bathroom. Pretty small, pretty standard I guess really. Yeah, it seems quite small. Not sure what that is, holding the shower together. Yeah, it's a little bit dated, this ship, not gonna lie. It has a bit of a smell about it. There's the cupboard. Definitely feels a bit smaller than ones we've had before. They've set up the beds as two singles, as you can see. There's the wife having a little chill. There's me in the mirror, hi. We are gonna get them to change it to a double. I'm not sure if she really wants it that way, but ha ha ha. We're gonna have a double, so tough, ha ha. There's the little desk and light. TV. I always find this a bit weird, this little thing here on the edge with the fridge and everything. But it does actually look like this one's got some decent plug sockets. So there are actually a few plug sockets because that's something we found before.
There's some tissue.
It's a little bit lacking.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Looks like a filter or something hanging out of there. Yeah, apologies for the noise because we are still in LA. But this is the little balcony with like a bit of a non-slip mat thing going on. Again, pretty regular size, but you can just see there's quite a lot of wear and tear on here as well. And there's LA. The hills there in the background.
We're the travel munchers, singing out loud, dancing on deck, standing out in the crowd, living our best life, vlogging every mile, tasting the world with a big old smile. From ships to cities, adventures unfurled, Nikki and Haley cruising the